Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you a simple way using which you can easily debloat your Windows 10 or 11. To begin with, simply go to your browser and search for no upload box. From the search results, go to this web page. Once you are there, simply scroll down and click on uploadboxer.zip and it will download the file. After downloading is complete, extract the file. Now run the uploadboxer app from here. Now click here and select Windows 10 or Windows 11 as per your operating system, and this will list all the apps present on your PC. So there are many apps which we don't use, that uses a lot of space, utilizes the processes and makes our computer slow. So you can carefully select them which you don't want and remove them, and this will help gain speed of your PC. You can also select all of them and simply click on remove selected. Now it may throw you an error, simply click on OK. I have tested the software using VirusTotal and found it to be safe, so it is pretty safe to use this tool to remove the bloatwares from your computer. That's it, all the bloatwares are successfully uninstalled. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.